how to add someone as a trusted connection on Roblox PC. Now, if you want to do it from a computer, you can't do it from the website. If you click on the plus sign and go into connections, it's not going to show you the option to add trusted connections. So what we need to do instead is to open up the Roblox player on our PC. So search for Roblox player, open it up, and once you have the Roblox player open, then you will click on the plus sign right here, and then you will see an option, add people you know. As an age checked, you basically will need to have verified your age. Then here you will click on add from QR code, and if people scan your QR code, then they will automatically apply as a trusted connection and they can add you as a trusted connection that way. You can also copy your profile link, send it to people, and like I said, they will need to send you a connection request, and if you accept the connection as a trusted connection, then you will become trusted connections. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.